RDDT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that about Reddit stock in this 1 minute video, so watch till the end. Now, Reddit stock analysis is actually very subjective, like always. Like, I've done 38,000 videos, spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've had all the sales documented on my YouTube channel, like no one else, you know, in the market. Generally speaking, here, all I'm still looking to do is get buying. Unless there's that shift here, buying is just not going to happen, quite frankly. So let me just come here. What happens if the price just keeps melting? So be it. You know, what I'm not going to do is randomly start getting involved. But what I'm going to do, though, is get involved as long as I start seeing shifts like this. And that's it. That's what I would like to do. Other than that, everything else is noise. Come over here to this. Just like that. This is another prediction that I caught this long. I'm very patient with Reddit. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's free value.